Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Kids. So since we learned about grammar in our last video, we're going to learn about AI in this video. So today we're diving into the future of 2015. To be exact, AI is already changing our world. But what will AI, artificial intelligence, look like in 25 years? Will it be our greatest ally or our biggest challenge? Let's break it down. The ethical and security risks of AI. With great power comes great responsibility. AI in 2050 could pose risks like deepfake, manipulation and mass surveillance, and even autonomous weapons. This is why AI ethics will be more important than ever. Governments and scientists must work together to make sure AI remains a tool for good, not destruction. AI in space exploration. With AI advancing rapidly, space exploration will never be the same. AI-driven robots could build colonies on Mars, explore distant planets, and analyze cosmic data beyond human comprehension. Could AI help us discover alien life? It's a real possibility, but 2050 AI-powered telescopes and spacecraft might give us the answers we have been searching for. The rise of artificial general intelligence. One of the most anticipated and feared developments in AI is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This would mean AI can think, learn and problem solve just like a human or even better. The biggest question, will AI be a friendly assistant or a potential threat? If AI surpasses human intelligence, we will need to ensure it aligns with human values. AI in jobs and the economy. One of the biggest debates about AI is its impact on jobs. By 2050, automation could replace millions of traditional jobs, but at the same time it will create entirely new industries and opportunities. So will AI take your job? Maybe, but it's more likely that AI will change the way we work, making certain tasks easier while opening doors for new careers in AI ethics, robot management and virtual reality development. The evolution of AI, where we are now. Before we jump ahead, let's take a quick look at where we stand today. AI powers everything from chatbots and self-driving cars to medical diagnosis and space exploration. But right now, AI is still narrow. It specializes in specific tasks, not general intelligence like humans. So what happens when AI evolves beyond its current capabilities? Let's look into the future. AI and everyday life in 2050. Fast forward to 2050 and AI will likely to be deeply integrated into our daily lives. Imagine waking up to an AI-powered home assistant and that not only manages your schedule but understands your emotions, health and needs in real time. Think of Jarvis from Iron Man, but in real life. AI won't just respond to commands, it will anticipate what you want before you even ask. AI and healthcare, the medical revolution. By 2050, AI could be responsible for diagnosing diseases with near perfect accuracy, personalizing treatments and even performing complex surgeries without human intervention. Imagine a world where cancer, Alzheimer's, and genetic disorders are detected and treated long before symptoms appear. AI-driven medicine could add years to our lives. So what does our future hold? So what will AI look like in 2050? The truth is, no one knows for sure. But one thing is clear, AI will reshape our world in ways we can't imagine yet. Now it's your turn. What do you think AI will be like in 2050? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit likes button, subscribe and stay tuned for more amazing content on AI in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next grammar video.